Necessary but not surprising. That's how a former federal prosecutors described the news today that a federal grand jury indicted Judge Hannah Dugan on 2 charges. She's accused of helping an undocumented immigrant evade arrest by immigration agents. Our Sam Kramer is live in the newsroom tonight to explain how this all unfolded and where it goes from here, Sam.
Hi there, Mary. Federal prosecutors placed their case into a criminal complaint based on an FBI agent's account. That started the clock, and they had 30 days to present the case to a grand jury for an indictment. That happened today, and now a case the nation is watching moves forward.
One by one came the witnesses. Judge Dugan's clerk, Alan Freed, Judge Cristela Cervera, who works on the same floor as Dugan, and public defender Mercedes de la Rosa. She represented Eduardo Flores Ruiz. He's the undocumented immigrant. Prosecutors say Judge Dugan helped avoid immigration agents who were there to arrest him after a hearing in his battery domestic abuse case on April 18th. So why the grand jury?
To pursue a criminal case in a federal court, it can only be by a grand jury that reviews the evidence and makes a finding, again, 23 people, that there is probable cause to charge.
James Santel used to be the U.S. Attorney for the Eastern District of Wisconsin. He notes the standard is lower than one you've heard of. Guilt beyond a reasonable doubt, that's decided by a jury at trial. In private chambers, the federal prosecutors present their evidence, sometimes with witnesses, to establish probable cause. The defendant isn't allowed in the room. Then it's up to the grand jury to decide. Only 12 members are needed to secure the indictment. In Dugan's case, the 2-page indictment brings 2 charges. The grand jury says the Milwaukee County judge did conceal Flores Ruiz from arrest and that she obstructed the pending removal proceeding against him.
It's hugely important in the process. It is not unexpected. And in the wake of a criminal complaint, there is really nothing surprisingly atypical about a grand jury indictment that follows.
Dugan's attorney sent us a statement tonight on her behalf, which reads, quote, as she said, after her unnecessary arrest, Judge Dugan asserts her innocence and looks forward to being vindicated in court, close quote. Dugan is due back in court, federal court, Thursday for what will now be an arraignment and plea hearing. Live in the newsroom, Sam Kramer, FOX6 News.